When I got my scholarship, it was a really rewarding feeling. All my dreams came true. I mean, literally every goal that I had coming out of high school, I fulfilled so far, and the only one I hadn't was getting a scholarship. And once I got that, it was just, it felt amazing to me. And I called my parents right away. My mom started crying, and I called my dad in the middle of the workday, and I think he started crying, but he kind of was like going on. He said he had to go see some patients, but I think he started crying. So it was really rewarding to call my parents. I mean, of course, I have goals later in my life. Become a surgeon, raise a family, have a great relationship with my community. I mean, really, I love BG. I mean, everything about it, from athletics, everything it's given me, and to think that I played at a big place like that, and I made an impact in the game was truly amazing.